see if we can beat it.
I guess we're going to be playing the backdoor with Connor.
Do you want me to give myself an introduction?
Yeah.
Alright, hello guys. You might remember me from my channel, but
dude, we're all in this. Let's go. Shut the door. Shut the door in everyone's face if they're trying to get in, right? Right, Connor?
Yeah. Yeah. Alright, let's do this.
This is going to be so fun. Okay, I was about to say I dipped the key, but you can unlock the door.
Alright.
Wait a minute. I'm going to search through these to see if there's some sort of starlight thing.
Why is there a timer?
Yeah.
No, why is there a timer?
Because I don't know. Don't ask me. I'm not the developer. Remember, we gotta do this in 1 minute. But the
Wait, we gotta do this in 1 minute? Oh, crap. What was that? How do I avoid those eyes?
I don't know. Let's figure it out. Let's do it. That was a medicine. That was creepy.
Ooh, start.
Scratch achievement. I'm going to stay back. Connor, you go forward.
Alright.
Connor, I just got the glitch achievement.
Yeah, I don't even have that. Let me know if the lights flicker. And of course I died.
By green ambush.
That wasn't green ambush.
Help me.
I'm dead.
There's only 2 more. There's only like 20 seconds.
You need to find a switch.
Wait, what happens if it goes down?
A new one to become. And they kill everyone. Find the switch.
What? Hi, Titty. Hi, boy.
Okay, you might want to pay attention. You see something red on your screen?
Okay.
I got sent back to the lobby.
No, man. Whoa. Hey, stop fighting me, boy.
Just go back to the lobby.
Sorry, like how?
It was a play.
If you're scared of crying, that's just her upset because I'm not going to go back to the lobby just for her.
Alright. I think my cat is like.
Connor,
my cat's in attack mode.
Play again?
Oh yeah. Well, my cat is like in attack mode. I think he's laying in his attack position. So I think I'm just gonna be extra careful here.
Dude, Connor, why did you go back to the lobby?
Ah! Ow! Lord, no, baby, no.
Do 4 player.
Bad boy.
Wait a minute. The game is glitching.
Ow.
There's so many.
Ow! No, boy.
I need to leave. Let me leave.
Do not attack me. Bad boy.
Your cat attacking you?
Yeah, he's attacking
For me.
Bad boy. Yeah, go, run. You run, go.
Connor, leave and go back to your private server. There's too many people for me. My phone can't handle it.
Alright, I'm just gonna.
No!
No, boy.
It sent me back. ain't that laggy.
Bad toy. Yeah, that's what I thought. Hold on, I bet half of this video is just gonna be me fighting my cat. I mean, not like actual fighting.
Joy.
Kitty?
Connor, come
Yeah,
on.
I love you. I love you, Juju. But I will not let you attack me. You were being a good boy earlier.
He's saying he
Are you
loves you.
only doing this because I'm on the phone with my friend?
No, it's saying Juju. He's saying that's his cat.
Well, I'm gonna tell my dad. Hold on.
Oh.
Be right back.
Hey Connor, what is your cat's name?
His cat's name is Juju. Connor, join.
Yeah, I'm going to be waiting at the...
Is almost all of this video just going to be us waiting for you? Connor? Connor, are you there?
Connor! Oh, I hear his cat.
I'm gonna be trying to make my cat like Homer. Hey!
Let's put my phone together too.
Let's go. No.
He's right downstairs. We're good now.
Nothing
We're
will
good now.
happen.
We're good. We're good.
Okay, join.
Alright.
Dude, the noodles on the top donators chart.
Molly!
I swear my cat is like a menace to society.
A mess of the
I woke
same.
up at 6 o'clock and him like beating me up.
Wait a minute, I'm going to... Ooh.
What
But,
happened to
wait a minute, I want to check something. Dude! Connor!
I don't know how. What?
Connor, if you go to create elevator, the back door's now in it.
Wait, what? Let me see. Oh my lord!
Or wait a minute, let's make a 3-player.
Yeah, let's make a 3-player. Alright. Bro, this is crazy.
Connor!
Yeah?
Get in!
Get in? Get in where? Where am I doing?
Okay, I'll do it.
Alright, alternate title. Connor has a... Wait, the alternate title for the video is Connor goes mentally insane for a few minutes.
Wait a minute, Connor going what?
Mentally insane for a few minutes. Because because of his cat.
Well, I'll put that as a plus. Connor going insane for 5 minutes. Connor,
Yes.
would that be hilarious?
Yes. Bro, yes.
Okay, I'm going to check all the drawers. I need
already
Bullet
found
Starlight.
Alright.
I need
Alright,
the mini
fixed
Starlight. Wait a minute, guys, go forward.
Alright, going. Is he coming?
My closet.
I don't know if the lights flicker.
The lights
Oh,
didn't
crap.
flicker on.
It's got to be. Yes! Please.
Yeah, you got the clutch achievement!
How do I get?
You just gotta sit back and relax in the back door. Oh, you know.
Come on. We gotta go.
I got another one!
Go.
Well, Scarlett's dead.
Gary, take
What do you think of the odds that we're dead?
Connor.
Yes?
Connor.
Alright.
God, this is so fun.
Riley, we only have 24 seconds. We only have 20 seconds.
Oh, shoot. Look for switches. No, those are vacuums.
Go, man. Come on, right away.
We're dead. We're dead.
I died.
Me too. Play again.
No.
No.
Why do we have to suffer like this?
The back door is a very old place, no older than the hotel, but still old. Somewhat forgotten too. Some parts seem to be missing.
Some parts. I read that completely wrong. I forgot that period.
Connor, do the play again.
Alright, I will. Anyway,
Don't disconnect this time.
what do you mean? I never disconnected.
It keeps on showing the cord. Like, did you go back to the lobby multiple times?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, stop going back to the lobby. Wait a minute, look! There was a switch right there!
Are you kidding me? This is so stupid.
I just saw see Connor die.
I want to die.
Connor, click play again. Oh, come on, again!
I already...
Why do you keep doing that? This video needs a new title called Connor Leaves the Game 6,000 times.
Yes.
Right?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
I've been recording every minute of this. I'm going to get copyright for showing games I'm not. I'm going to get copyright somehow. Doesn't even matter how. I get copyright on every single video now.
Wait, what?
Cutter. I have this thing full.
What?
I have this pot full.
I don't. I only have 72 candies.
Connor, join the elevator. Yeah.
Yeah, baby.
Sky, you didn't. Oh yeah. We'll put it on the next round. Connor, let's look around this area before we do anything.
I died for a
It's the
second.
outside the hotel there.
Guys, you want to get the key this time?
What?
You want to get the key this time?
Yes. Connor,
Alright.
Connor, do you have the error achievement?
No, I don't.
Connor, stay back here and we'll let you know if the lights flicker or not, okay?
Okay.
Stay next to these closets, okay?
What closet?
These ones.
Oh, okay.
Stay next to them.
Sir, yes, sir.
Stay next to them.
Beep, boop, beep, 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 beep. Wait,
We'll
wait,
let you
no,
know
never
if
mind.
lights flicker.
Wait, never mind. I do already have a glitch achievement. Guys, I was being stupid. I do have a glitch achievement.
Okay, you already have it, so that's good.
What do you think the odds are that we're gonna die in?
Problem.
Oh god, this game is AKA my cat.
I'm surprised I didn't die to look now.
My cat was here. Hey, maybe just stay there. Maybe not torture us, please, cat.
What does your cat torture you all the time? Ah, look, man.
Where do I go? Hi, hi.
Dude, that was so close.
Did you die?
No. Oh, that was so close.
Oh, we need a lever now.
Dude, I love this game.
Me too, but we need a lever back. Dude, this is so fun.
darn game. Oh shoot, 25 seconds left. Switch.
Hi, switch. So hi. Hey,
Give us a switch.
what's it?
Curious Lake, give us a third switch. Switch.
Did you get this guy?
Yeah, I put the switch. Connor, are you going to stick around and watch? Connor, are you sticking around to watch?
Just for me to stand up to Medicine. Hey,
Let's go. No. That was so the haste results, Connor. That
I'm
red
sorry,
monster
guys,
that
but my
killed me
cat
before.
Daniel, I need you to listen. I'm on a call with my friend. And
Good vacuum.
Now please go away. Now please have Daniel? Oh, you want?
Oh, look, man! Switch!
Yep, it's very high. Bro, you guys are just like playing, and meanwhile I'm trying to like keep my life. Oh my God, it's throwing an ice cream dip.
I died to Look Man. Connor,
And I died to my
Connor,
cat.
play again.
Alright.
Don't click on the door icon, please.
Alright. I clicked play again.
Dude, this is so fun.
Connor, why'd you not disconnect? Why'd you to disconnect?
I'm petting my cat to make him feel calmer.
Is there cat torture? I should
Yeah,
also put down plus Connor go. I should put down Connor.
Against my cat.
Connor, I should put down plus Connor. Connor almost get killed by his cat. Would that be hilarious?
I need to have a compilation of, if I was recording right now, I would need to have a compilation of my cat